What's happening, YouTube? What's going on? I just bought yet another cheap E90. I'm out here in a town called East Hampton, Connecticut, and I just drove out roughly an hour from where I live to purchase from Craigslist what is probably one of the cheapest E90s, not clickbait. This car was listed, it's a 2007 328i. It was listed on Craigslist for $1,500. And I just picked it up for $1,100 after a little bit of negotiating with Patrick. I met today with Patrick and his neighbor Jeff. Those guys are awesome. Thank you. Had a nice day talking cars with you guys. And now the car is on its way home, and I'm on my way home. However, I stopped by a building that caught my eye, and you guys might find it interesting. So let's go outside and take a look. Alright, so I took my new 335i that I just bought here, and I am at this sort of nondescript looking building, home of Chasing Classic Cars. This is Wayne Carini's place, and sitting out front is a beautiful 911, I believe, and what happens to be, this is the one that really caught my eye. We have what looks like an Alpina E30. Check that guy out. It's got the Euro bumpers, very beautiful. Let's see what this is here. It's a 1986, 46,500. Is a beauty. And then over here, this looks like a 911 SC, which is also, if this was my shop, that would be the attention getter that I would put outside as well. C2 2.7. And over here we have, actually, this looks like maybe it could be a rare car as well. Maybe it's like the Mach 1, not sure. Or the Bullet version. Oh yeah. These are going up in value a tremendous amount. If you haven't seen the movie, with the original 1960s Porsche, definitely check it out. It has one of the greatest car scenes, chase scenes of all time. Thanks, Dad, for the hot tip on that one. And then over here we have another convertible, not too interesting. And we have some other projects back here. Oh yeah, let's take a look. Put the phone up here. All sorts of goodies. All sorts of goodies in there. Showroom hours. Well, today's Saturday, so they're closed, unfortunately. But it does look pretty cool. Here's what it looks like inside. I believe there's maybe an SLR or something right here. Sorry, I can't see through the glass, and I apologize for the poor audio quality. We're right next to a busy highway right here. But yeah, this Alpina is pretty sick. Take a look in here. There's some cloth Alpina seats. So yeah. Anyway, I'll show you guys the new car, the really cheap car, $1,100. It's a 2007 328i, and I'll show you guys more when I get home. Look at that lip. here it is. Here is the new vehicle. Sorry for this poor video quality. This is being taken on my iPhone. And I will make some videos on this car, that's for sure, coming up in the next several days and weeks. But just wanted to give you guys a quick sort of look around of this car now. This is a 2007 328i that I picked up about an hour from where I live. You can see here, if you're new to the channel, this is my E28. There's a couple of other videos on that. You may also notice there's a new fence here, which I have just installed myself. I'll give you guys a little tour of that, I'm sure, in the future. This is the gate to the driveway here. But anyway, this car is an 07 328i. It is the sport package, which you can tell because of these thigh bolsters supports here. And it also has the sport steering wheel. So yeah, let me show you guys the mileage on this one. This is like a little game I like to play. Walk around the car. I did it with my last 335i, and just have you guys guess what the mileage is. This one is much more rough. This has 269,000 miles, I believe. Let's put this on here. Just tap this once. All right, show us the mileage. There it is. 269,145 miles. Yeah, it's a lot. So this car, basically, I purchased on a whim. I saw it on Craigslist because I'm always looking. You know, car guys are always looking for cars, just for fun, sort of in the morning before work. I'd have a coffee and sort of look around on Craigslist or C-List and see what is around. And I came across this car. I saw the color. It's a really beautiful color, in my opinion. It's the Barriquerot, I think it is. I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but it's an unusual color that was discontinued. And yeah, I just think it looks really cool. It's a sport package cars. If you're new to the channel, you also know that I only buy sport package cars. I feel like that's the really true way to buy any BMW, really. And they also just sell better too. When you go to sell them, whether you're flipping cars, whatever it is, having the sport package just makes it that much more easier to sell versus a plain Jane base model. And I think that's always been the case pretty much no matter what type of car you're into. So I'll just walk around the car really quick and show you guys the paint as the sun is going down here. And we have an aftermarket front bumper here, as you can see.